you ever been taking a sample out of your wine or doing some test blends with your wine, and you've got a wine thief in one hand and you've got a wine glass in your other hand, and you pull the airlock out of the top and you don't know where to set it because you don't really want to contaminate it? I run into that all the time. So I've done things where I'll set it in a wine glass, or I'll set it on a clean plate, but then it spills. So I decided I was going to make this little airlock holder where I can just dangle 4 airlocks at a time without anything touching the bung, just to keep things nice and clean. So today I'll just go over how to make this little thing. It costs virtually nothing. You can make it out of scrap, and it's really a handy little tool to have in your home winery. I'm going to start out by making 2 4-inch by 6-inch pieces of plywood, and anything thinner than 3/8 will probably be fine. I'm using 3/16 for this project. Now I'm going to cut a piece of 2x4 at 4 inches long also. I'm going to mark 4 spots on here at 1 inch from the long side and 1 1/4 inches from the short side. Just going to mark a little X there. And at each one of those X's, I'm going to go ahead and drill a 1/2 inch hole with a 1/2 inch drill bit. And then just clean up a little bit on the other side. Now you can use your spare piece to draw a line connecting each of your holes to the side. So now I just have to turn my holes into slots, and I'm just going to use a scroll saw to do that, but you can really use whatever saw you have on hand to do that, maybe a jigsaw or even a hand saw or hacksaw. And then here I'm just centering up my top and bottom piece. Just mark a line 2 1/4 inches on each side, and if you line that up, you'll be centered. And I'm just using these little 1 1/4 inch galvanized screws just because it's what I have on hand. And now you're all set. You can put your airlocks in, and you can hold up to 4, so if you're doing blending, you're fine. So I hope you get a lot of use out of your new airlock holder in the wine cellar. If you like this video and want to see more videos, make sure you hit the little subscribe button on the bottom and hit the bell to be notified about new videos. Also, make sure you check out my website, smartwinemaking.com, and check out my other YouTube channel, the Cool Stuff Guys Like channel. That's where you'll find all kinds of videos on how-tos and projects, but it'll be anything but wine videos over there. Thanks for watching.